Hello and welcome to another segment of Tom Meeker's videos. I'm here today about ready to get my lawnmower out for the first time of the season. Hopefully Mother Nature has finally finished with us for winter. We had a freeze warning overnight, but now it's beautiful out. It's supposed to be 62 today, so I'm in shorts and ready for a lawnmower run. As you can see, got the lawnmower running. It's out here in the yard. I'm about to take a run of the yard for the first mow of the season. Now I got my brand new camera called an Act76 by Campark, and I'm going to test it out for the first time. I just got it last night. This was the second time around. The first one was defective, but that's okay because Amazon took care of it very quickly. So I just want to show you how it works, show you the view of what it looks like as I'm taking a sweep of the yard with the lawnmower. Hope you enjoy this video. I will follow up at the end of the video to show you some more about the Campark. Okay, I'm here today to show you a little bit about the new camera I bought. It's called a Campark Act76. It was $34 on Amazon, and I've been using it for the last couple days. You can see in the beginning of this video where I first introduced it in the yard, and I rode around the lawnmower with it to give you an example of what it looks like. You'll see other videos coming up in the next couple weeks that show you some of the stuff I've already done with the camera. Now, straight out of the box, you get the camera, which comes in a waterproof case. The case is very easy to remove. You just take the snap, you open it up, you open that up, and the camera itself drops out. All the buttons line up to the buttons on the camera, and they do work well. The problem with the waterproof case is that with the backing on for waterproof, it does block a lot of your microphone usage. So the solution to that is if you're not using it in the water or you do not need waterproof at the time, it comes with an additional back which you just attach, and it has slots to open up so you can use the microphone better. In addition, you get the remote control. Now I've already put it on the strap that came with it. What this does is it gives you the opportunity to set either video or to take a picture, which is a 16 megapixel quality, so it takes a really good picture. In addition, you get 2 batteries. Great to have a spare. The problem with directly out of the box is the only way to charge these batteries is to charge them through a USB cable, which does come with it. But you can't use the camera while you're charging the battery. So you've got downtime. If you're out in the road and you want to take a whole bunch of videos or a whole bunch of pictures, you've got to wait to charge your battery up. The solution was a $5 solution in the form of a charger. I purchased this on Amazon, and it also came with 2 additional batteries. These batteries are a little more powerful than the ones that came with it. Both of them work very well. This is called the Mount Dog, and like I said, it works very well. It connects to either the computer or you can connect it to a charging block from your phone and plug it directly into an AC outlet, which is what I do. Now, to use this camera, what you need to do is on the very front, there is a power button. You push that power button, and on the back, you will see a blue light come on. And you will also see the screen lighting up. This is not a touch screen. And the first thing that comes up is video. The problem is, I don't know why it does this, but as soon as you turn the camera on, the video starts recording. So you have to hit the OK button at the top in order to stop that. To know it's recording, you see a little blue flash from the blue light. It flashes to show you it is recording. On the top, you have another little light that when you want to use Wi-Fi, on the side there are two little buttons. You push up and you wait, and you will see where it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi. When you do connect to your phone to Wi-Fi, you will see that red light turn solid. To change your modes, you use the same power button I showed you to turn the camera on, and you push it once for video. The second time, click it and it goes to camera. Third time goes to slow motion. Fourth time goes to rewind and rewatch what you have already recorded. And then you go to settings. To get to settings, you just hit the OK button, and you can scroll across using the same power button to change where you want to change your settings. Now, in addition to this, it does come with a little user manual. Not a ton of information, but it does give you information on how to use it, how to set your settings, those type of things. I highly recommend you read it. I'm very bad about not reading things before I use them. So you know what all the settings are. It's a very good idea to read it before you actually use it. Now, in addition to what comes with the regular camera itself, you also get a bunch of little accessories. These are attachments that you can use to attach to various things. For example, if you want to ride down the road on your bicycle, it does have an attachment for that. It has an attachment to go to your helmet. It has attachments to go to a tripod, and it has various other straps and attachments in order to use it for various things. Now, in addition, I wanted other accessories so I could use it for other things. You saw in the beginning of this video where I had a chest strap on. That was an additional purchase that I made. It came in this case, and there is tons and tons of attachments and different accessories. This here is a little bitty tripod, little flimsy, but it does bend, so you can strap it to something, for example, a tree branch or something along the way. It has all kinds of additional attachments for bicycles and helmets. It has the chest strap that I used in the beginning of the video. It does have one that goes on your head that you can attach the camera to, so you can record as you're going down the road. It has a little dash cam, which I will show you in one of my future videos of some pictures I took as I was going down the road, a little video. It has various J-clips and hooks and attachments that connect it to various things. It has straps. It also has a little floaty that you connect the camera to, and this will prevent you from losing it if it came off your arm because it floats while you're swimming or diving. It has various little sticky attachments that you can attach to things. This cost me $19.99. The problem with this kit, I bought it on Amazon, is it came with nothing to tell me what each attachment was. It did, however, come with this case that has flimsy little foam in, but you can keep your camera and all your accessories in it if you're very organized. Right now, I just have everything thrown in this case, but eventually I hope to get organized and make sure that I am more organized when I do it. Okay, my overall impression of this camera, I've had it now for a few days, is it's a pretty good camera. For $35, it's well worth the money. I've never owned a GoPro, so I can't tell you the difference between a GoPro and this one, but my videos and pictures have come out quite well. You'll see over the next couple weeks I have a few videos that I'm working on that I've filmed exclusively with the Act76. It is a nice little gadget. It's great to have. I didn't have a huge budget I wanted to spend on cameras, so this is a good starter camera. Most of my recordings I'm doing on the iPhone. It does come with an app that does a really good job of connecting to the phone. It's a little glitzy. It's a little glitchy, the app. However, it does work. You do have to connect it through Wi-Fi directly to the camera, so you don't need a home Wi-Fi. You just need to connect from the phone to the camera, which means you'll have to disconnect from your home Wi-Fi on your camera. It does act as a remote. You can watch as you're filming. You can watch on your phone and see what you're actually filming as you're filming with the camera, which is a really nice feature. It also will upload your videos and your pictures directly to your phone without any extra accessories. This is nice because all my videos are done on my iPhone right now, so I can upload them to my iPhone, and then what I do is I airdrop them into my iPad. I edit them with iMovies, and I can upload them directly to YouTube. Now, would I use this camera alone for YouTubing? Probably not, but it's great to get some action shots. I look forward to it in the summer when I can swim and get some really good pictures. So that gives you a good overview of the Campark Act76. As I said, in the next couple of weeks, I'll have little video clips of different things I'm doing. Videotaping going down the road, videotaping just around the yard, videotaping various beauty scenes of the nature, all different scenes. If you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps move the videos up and helps other people see the videos. Also share the videos with your friends on social media, and also connect with me by leaving comments. Finally, if you would like my videos more often and be able to see when I do them, please subscribe to my channel. It lets me know that someone's interested in what I'm filming. If there's particular videos you like better than others, please leave that in the comments. I will do more of those types of videos. Thank you for watching the videos, and I hope you have a blessed day.